Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Faris bin Ahmad Ridwan, and now I will present about my FYP. My FYP title is Performance Analysis of Process Parameter on Machining Carbon Epoxy Composite Using Abrasive Water Jet Machining. And my supervisor is Dr. Wan Emri bin Wan Abdurrahman. Okay, for project summary, carbon epoxy composite is used in various applications. This project will focus in the abrasive water jet machining of carbon epoxy composite. Design of experiment is used to determine the optimal parameter to use in this project. The influence of the machining parameter on the surface topography will be conducted using scanning electron microscope. And the response that will be measured from the project is surface roughness and curve width. And design expert will be used in this project. Okay, for introduction, abrasive water jet machining, AWJM, is one of the non-conventional machining that be used for cutting of dissimilar material add-ons. This process has minor thermal damage to the machine due to no continuous contact while running machining process. A composite material is created by combining two substances with various physical and chemical characteristics. Carbon fiber has been widely used in many equipment, especially sport equipment. The term design of experiment, DOE, refers to the subfield of applied statistics that focus on the planning, carrying out, analyze, and interpreting of controlled experiment to determine the variable that affect the value of parameter or set of parameter. The objective of this project is to analyze the influence of travel speed, stand-off distance, and abrasive flow rate on surface roughness and curve width while cutting carbon composite using abrasive water jet cutting. Next is to determine the best parameter to cut carbon composite by using abrasive water jet machining. And lastly, to observe the effect of using abrasive water jet machining on composite. And this is the scope and limitation of this project. This project only used the carbon fiber 3K for the cutting material. The thickness of the specimen is 5 mm. The size of the specimen also cannot more than 2 cm x 2 cm. The running parameter will be selected by using design of the experiment, DOE, in Design Expert software. The material need to be cut using abrasive water jet machining, AWJM, and the curve width need to be analyzed after cutting process using a vernier caliper. And the surface roughness also must be measured by using a surf test. And now we continue to the methodology. As we can see, it is the table of the properties of carbon fiber 3K. As we can see, a tensile strength of carbon fiber 3K is 4,120 megapascal. The tensile modulus is 234 gigapascal and the elongation at break is 1.8%. We have choose three parameters for this process, which is the jet travel speed, stand-off distance, and the abrasive flow rate. For jet travel speed, we have choose three parameters, which is 30%, 60%, and 90%. And for stand-off distance, we choose 7 mm, 8 mm, and 9 mm. And lastly, for abrasive flow rate, we use 0.27, 0.3, and 0.37. And this is the step while running the abrasive water jet machining to cutting the carbon epoxy. Firstly, we set up the parameter on the abrasive water jet machining. Next, we cut in the carbon epoxy using abrasive water jet machining. After that, we analyze. We need to measure the curve width by using a vernier caliper. We also measure the surface roughness by using a surf test. After that, we change the travel speed, stand-off distance, and abrasive flow rate, which is the parameter of this experiment. And then we repeat the step again. Okay, this is the expected result. I have run the water jet machining process by using two condition, which is the first one is 90% jet travel speed, 7 millimeter stand-off distance, and 0.27 kilogram per minute abrasive flow rate. And for the second specimen, I've used 60% jet travel speed, 10 millimeter stand-off distance, and 0.27 abrasive flow rate. And this is the condition of the plate after the cutting process, and we can see at the left is the first specimen and the at right is the second specimen, and this is the specimen that I get after cutting by using the abrasive water jet cutting machine. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.